Bodyguard 380 reassembly issues. So a very common issue when reassembling the Bodyguard 380, people will put the slide onto the frame, lock it back, and then they'll put the takedown pin in here, spin it around, lock it in, everything seems right, and then they close the gun and it doesn't close all the way. And this is very common, and it's very simple to fix that. So just lock the slide back again, pull the takedown pin out, just force it around and pull it out, unlock your slide. So what you need to do when you put the slide onto the frame and lock it back, you want to make sure your barrel is all the way out like that, because it's possible it can sit in like it was the first time I did this. So as long as the barrel's all the way out, it pretty much stays there. But once it's out, put your takedown pin in nice and straight, turn it around, lock it in place, make sure it springs back up, and now you're good to go. So it's a very simple fix, very common problem. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit like below. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.